In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Notion. This integration can significantly streamline your workflow by allowing these two powerful tools to communicate seamlessly. Let's dive into the process, making it as effortless as possible. To begin, we need to create a Zap. For this, you'll head over to Zapier, an excellent platform that acts as a bridge between different applications. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, look for the option to create a new Zap, which is essentially an automation that connects two or more apps to automate tasks. Click on Create Zap to get started. Now it's time to set up your Airtable trigger. Essentially, a trigger is an event that prompts your automation to start working. In Airtable, you have a few options for triggers that you can select based on your specific needs. Whether it's a new record being added, an existing record being updated, or a form submission, choose whichever trigger best suits your use case. Once you've decided, connect your Airtable account to Zapier by following the prompts, ensuring that Zapier has the required access to your data. Next up, you'll need to select the base and table from which your data will be sourced. The base is essentially your project or database. It's where your tables are located. Choose the base and then the specific table in view that contains the information you need to work with. This step is crucial as it specifies what data Zapier will use to trigger the automation. With the trigger set, it's time to add an action for Notion. An action is what the Zap does once it is triggered. Here you have a few choices, such as creating a page, updating a database item, or appending content. Each action can help customize how data is captured in Notion. Once you've decided on the suitable action, connect your Notion account to Zapier, again ensuring everything is linked correctly for smooth data flow. After setting up the action, you'll need to map the fields from Airtable to Notion. Think of this as telling Zapier exactly how the data in Airtable corresponds with the data in Notion. For instance, if you want an Airtable task name to become the page title in Notion, you'll map those fields accordingly. Similarly, any notes in Airtable might become content in Notion, and due dates can usually sync seamlessly between the two platforms as well. Finally, it's time to test your Zap. This is a vital step to ensure everything is working perfectly. Run a test and see if the data transfers correctly from Airtable to Notion. If all looks good, you can turn the Zap on and let it run. Publishing your Zap enables it to work in the background automatically, keeping your applications interconnected without any extra input from you. Congratulations, you've just set up an efficient integration between Airtable and Notion.